Hi, and welcome back to the Two Guys Kitchen at the Lake House. Today we're going to be doing something really different. We're doing an everything but the bagel pizza. And it can be a breakfast pizza, it can be used for hors d'oeuvres. It's got all kinds of uses. So let's get into it. What we're using for our base to the pizza for the crust is naan bread. And we happened to get this over at Sam's Club, and it has 10 of them in there, and I think it was under $5. So anyway, you can see they're nice and thin, and they've already been cooked. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually spread some butter on it. Now you can use olive oil, but personally I like the butter better. The olive oil tends to bubble up to the top, and I don't know, it overloads it. The butter gives a nice flavor, yet it's easy to do, and not everybody's got all kinds of olive oil sitting around the house. Most people have butter. We've already preheated the air fryer to 400 degrees. So what we're going to do is just pop this in here and hit it for just, I'm going to use preheat again, I guess, and for 5 minutes, but we're not going to let it go that long. Okay, we've just preheated the naan bread base, the crust if you will, and we did it at 400 degrees for 2 minutes. And now that butter should be, oh yeah, the butter's nicely melted. We'll reach in there, bring it out. So the next thing we're going to do, which is very simple, is now that we have it out, we're going to put down a base of cheese. You can use mozzarella, you can use Mexican cheese, whatever you want to put down. And just spread it around. Almost everybody has some kind of shredded cheese around the house. So that does that. And now we're going to throw in a little bit of the other Mexican cheese, some Kraft, because this has a couple of different cheese in it. We're getting fancy today, I don't know why. And now that we've got that on there, let's put a few pieces of sliced mozzarella on here. And what we're going to do now is we're going back into the air fryer. I pop that right off there. And we're going to put that in there again for the next 3 minutes at 400 degrees. So we'll be back in 3 minutes. Now let's take a look at it. What I'm trying to do is get the cheese to just start browning. Oh, there we go. And now we take our everything but the bagel seasoning. That comes from Trader Joe's. And just be generous with it.
Yeah, let me see the front of that. There you go.
Or as Vanna White would do. Okay. Now what we're going to do is slice this up. And there we go. And I'm not going to taste it right now because it's way too hot. So, till next time we see you at the lake house, subscribe, hit the button, We're on almost everything on social media, so find us and like us and make a comment. Good, bad, indifferent. Make a comment. Till next time, take care.